Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs and bacon. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need about 2 to 3 eggs per person, some delicious bacon, and your favorite seasonings. Crack your eggs into a bowl and whisk them lightly with a fork, just until the yolks and whites are combined. Then, add a small amount of salt and pepper to taste. Now, let's get that bacon perfectly crispy. Place your bacon strips in a cold pan before turning on the heat. This helps them cook evenly. Cook over medium heat, flipping the strips every few minutes until they reach your desired crispness. Once done, remove the bacon and place it on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any extra grease. This keeps it nice and crunchy. With the bacon done, it's time for the eggs. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add about 1/2 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, pour in your whisked eggs. Let them sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds until the edges begin to set. Then, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, creating soft, fluffy curds. Continue gently folding the eggs until they are just set but still moist. Avoid overcooking them, as this can make them rubbery. Once your eggs are perfect, plate them alongside your crispy bacon. You can add a sprinkle of fresh chives or a dash of paprika for extra flavor and color. And for a fantastic way to keep your kitchen clean after cooking, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your delicious, easy breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.